welcome back to the channel and to another video. This is our East Java part 2 video, and today we'll be going through the rest of our journey in East Java. We left the waterfalls and travelled slightly up north, up towards Bromo, and as we continued on through East Java, it just got better and better, and if we could recommend anything, it would be to go watch a sunrise over Bromo and also to hike the crater. Now this is the most famous volcano in Java, actually in Indonesia I think, and it's for its epic views, and it was almost like we were looking at a painting half the time, and we were just in absolute awe of what we were seeing in the morning. So what we did is we went to a place called Cafe Lava to stay the night. We got woken up at 3 a.m. and we got picked up by a really cool Toyota Land Cruiser, and we travelled all the way up to a viewpoint to watch the sunrise over Bromo, and it was just amazing to see all these people that had come to visit to watch the sunrise, and it was just, I can't even describe it to you, it was just amazing. The photos don't do it justice. Can you believe what you're saying?
Oh no.
Got up at 2:30 this morning.
I got up at 2.
You got up at 2. I got up at 2:30.
You up at 2:30.
Jess made me a cup of coffee and let me sleep in, which is nice because she can always pass out in the car and I can't. So she's had naps yesterday and I didn't. But we've just witnessed the most spectacular sunrise.
It's now my favourite part so far. Just keeps getting better.
It's just amazing. And now we're going to go down and walk across the sea of sand and hike the crater. So very excited. If you come in, definitely wear layers, lots of layers, and if you're obviously in a Jeep, you can leave your layers in a Jeep so you can do the walk. So sun's out now, we'll probably take all our layers off. Got a jumper, t-shirt and a big jacket. I would recommend, would you recommend gloves and stuff?
Yeah,
I would.
And a scarf.
Gloves and scarf as well, I would. And yeah, we're heading back down to the Jeep now, and we noticed up here you can camp up here, so maybe that's an option. Me and Jess thought that would be really cool to do if we knew about it. Our jeep just dropped us off and we're walking to the crater now. So it's still really cold. I thought it'd be warmer down here, but it's actually really cold. So still wrapped up warm. Nearly, oh, she's putting her hair up, getting ready for it. Getting ready for the walk.
Oh, look at that. Going down into the...
Thing I think I've ever seen. I can't believe it. How can we hike? How can we get up here? It's so cool. We then moved on to our next location. We drove straight there. It was quite a long drive and it was to the eastmost point in Java, and that was to hike Ijen Volcano. Now this was a real unique experience and again something that we would recommend doing in East Java. We read the reviews about the hike, that was fine, and then I stumbled across a review about wearing masks and stuff, so I just thought, oh, maybe it was the sulphur at the top of the volcano, I'm not sure. And then we got there and our guide was an ex-miner that used to mine sulphur, and we hiked to the top of the crater, which was great. It's quite steep. It took us about an hour and a bit to get up to the top. It's really dark, so take head torches and just prepare for the cold. And then we got to the top of the crater, pitch black, but you could see all these head torches, which was really cool. Climbed down and he was like, oh, come with us now, we're going to climb to the bottom of the crater. So like, okay, that's cool. Didn't think it would be like a huge hike down, but it was slippery, it was rocky, it was steep, so just prepare yourself. I think the waterfall treks during the middle of the week set us up very well actually for this hike down to the bottom of the crater. We made our way down and the guide was really helpful, and there was loads of guides around and people around, so you're not alone. You're following this trail of headlamps, which is quite cool, and you get to the bottom and it's just all this sulphur is just going, not near you, it's like being blown away or whatever, and it's kind of contained in these containers and just shooting out the top, and that's where they mine. But he took us down to where we could see the blue fire, and we got there, and obviously wearing masks at this point, and it was just blowing in our faces and it hurts your eyes, so just be really careful, and if you don't feel comfortable going in, then don't go in. And then you carry whoa.
Oh, like this.
75 kilos.
Yes.
How many do you take
Four.
up? 4 a day?
Oh.
Wow.
4 per day.
Oh, it's good. I'm good, yeah.
and got back to the top of the crater to watch the sunrise, and you just see this beautiful blue lake right next to where we were stood down in the crater, and I just couldn't believe, like a metre away from me and Jess was this acid lake. I just didn't think it was there. I think it was like further away. So we watched the sunrise and then you trek back down. So after that we got taken to the port and we got a ferry to Gilimanuk. That was our amazing 5-day East Java tour. So everything included in the East Java tour, it was 8.6 million rupiah for me and Jess to travel through East Java with a driver, so Shaiful, the driver, obviously his car, all of the fuel, they give you free coffee, they give you free water, all of the admissions to everything, the local guides, accommodation, and you get free breakfast on all of your stays. The only thing you need to pay for is lunch and dinner. So like I said earlier, we're currently in Bali. A lot of our family and friends are coming to visit us here, so we're probably not going to create any videos in Bali. Hopefully do an overview at the end of the trip. But I'm going to end the vlog there. Thank you very much for watching.